Arrive in style with this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 base. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: preferred equipment group 1SA, 3.42 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, not equipped with active fuel management, wheels, 17x8 silver painted steel, wheels, 17x8 bright silver painted aluminum, front 40/20/40 split bench seat, vinyl seat trim and heavy-duty suspension. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.